In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your PDF as a link for free. So here you can see I've got a PDF file. It's just a resume and I'll share this as a link. So what we need to do is open up a web browser. I've got open up Google Chrome and I'm on Google. Now we're going to be using Google Drive to do this. If you're on google.com and you're already logged into Google, you can go to Google Apps and then click on Drive. That will then take you into Google Drive. If you've never used it before, you won't have any recent or suggested files or folders. What we can do though is upload the file and get a shareable link. To do that, go New in the top left hand corner, then click File Upload. Here you can then find the file on your computer. Mine is on my desktop. Once you've clicked on Open, it will then start to upload that file and you'll see the status in the bottom right hand corner. If you go to My Drive, it should then be here, or you'll then be able to find it here, or you can go to Recent and it will show here. So this is the most recent file, the PDF file I uploaded. We can then right click on it and then click on Share and then Share again. Now, if you want a link here, you need to change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. And then this will create a public link, which you can go ahead and click copy on. This will link to your PDF file, and whenever someone clicks on it, it will then go to the PDF file. They will then be able to download it. So that is how I would do it.